Uh, okay. I just started this robot now. I want to try and capture it. I've decided to use this account only for accumulator. So you're going to be seeing accumulator trade here. I'm going to dedicate another account for, I observed that I've traded so far accumulator on this account. Okay. And you can see the time I'm trading. I had to wait a bit so that it will fall in line with the same time. Okay, normally I would have started this robot as at 1 a.m. or so, but I felt like let me wait a bit and then I was gonna start. Okay, so this is it starting. I want you to observe, okay, I am using selected. And I need you to know that selected takes a while. Sometimes it doesn't take that much. Maybe the expected signal is already in range, so it won't take time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back when this bot is done trading. Okay, it's a long time to wait. So, but our starting time is almost 5 o'clock. Okay, 4:40. Okay, so I'm gonna be back when the robot is done. Okay, or maybe once it has done one or two trades, I'm gonna come back. So it's gonna take a while. So I'm just gonna wait for it. IX max maybe 2 to 3 hours or so. So I'll be back. Okay, you won't believe over 4 hours. I was busy doing other work. Over 4 hours, this accumulator did not get any signal. Okay, that it was because for the past 4 hours, all the signals that were generated were one. That's just it. All the signals generated for the past 4 hours were one. So because for almost 4 hours, no single trade was done. So now I had to stop and restart and then use the normal signal. Why? Because for the past 4 hours, in fact, I was supposed to stop this, I think, over 2 hours ago, but I was busy. I just left it. I wanted to have results to see and confirm. Now, there are sometimes this happens. Okay, there are sometimes this happens. So usually when the signals have been going good, all I needed to do is just allow the robot to do normal signal trading, okay, because it has waited for a long time. Now, before then, there has been several signals that have showed up. Okay, there has been several signals that have showed up. Okay, within. Okay, I'm not seeing it here. I started this. I started this new one. I started it not even 5 minutes ago or 2 minutes ago, just few minutes ago, and it has already done two trades. Just 2 minutes ago. Let me see if I can get. Okay, look at it. 9:31. That was when I started this new one. Okay, in just 2 minutes, it has done the two trades. With once it does one more trade, that means it has already achieved its target for the day. Now, the reason why I needed to show you that there are periods, you could have plenty of signals. They are all going smooth. In fact, it will be difficult to even find one that is going against the prediction. But there are times as well that all this, there will be one or two out of 20 that is not going to work according to plan. Okay, so based on the fact that we want to avoid catching those single ones, because you are trading at different intervals. That's why I usually recommend this guy. Okay, this selected. You can see this should be probably our last signal. Okay, signal is already available. It's getting ready. It has bought the trade. Okay, so we're waiting for the result. Now, I think the time I spent for this trade to execute itself is less than 5 minutes. Okay, less than 5 minutes. Okay, but before I had to switch, okay, there was a confirmation that all the goings have been going well. Now, usually, once it's like that, it usually lasts for another session. Okay, if it's going well, all the signals are going well. It means if you start trading, you will have good results. So usually, it's always like that. So, like right now, it has done today's. It has done today's profit. You can see it says take profit. So like right now, it's off. Okay, it has hit its target. If I click this, I should be logged out. That's the end of the bot trading for today. So till tomorrow. So God bless you, and I'll see you in another video.